I had a lot of posters on my walls of cars, but there wasn't any car on the wall that looked like that are production cars on the road.
Very few.
Very few. It's bananas. Incredible wedgie design, almost like nothing anyone would ever see. The scissor doors that come up, it's right behind us. You can't take your eyes off it. It's an incredible thing. The deep dish wheels, I mean, those holes in the wheels, the fact that they're so deep dish, the tyres on it, a 345 width tyre.
In 85.
In 85 was the widest tyre ever put on a production vehicle. They only made them for those,
Yeah.
you know. Everything's in the back and you can see that they've gone, oh, we've got to get more air into this thing, you know. So the big vents on top of it, the NACA ducts in the side of it, which were on the original car, the LP400.
They were always there.
Which, you know what NACA stands for?
Come on, tell me.
National Advisory Committee for Aeronautics, which was the predecessor to something that we all know, NASA.
NASA, low drag duct.
Yeah. I mean, all of these things combined just go, wow, wow, it's amazing. Everything up to that point was still normal in terms of sports car, supercar looking car.
You think?
Well, from a Lamborghini point of view, they looked like cars, right?
That's true.
The 350, the 400, the Miura.
The Miura was a...
It was amazing.
It's a massive
looking.
statement.
Look, don't get me wrong, but it still had conventional body lines, design, and then boom, the Countach hits. And it defined Lamborghini from that point on as a crazy car, a bananas car, something that you're never ever going to see other than a Lamborghini getting away with. So all of the modern Lamborghinis, Aventador, Huracan, all of these things get away with it because this car started it.